This is the Continental PremiumContact 7, a premium summer tyre designed to deliver safety, comfort and performance. It's available in sizes from 16 to 21 inches and is suitable for a wide range of passenger cars and SUVs. Continental have ensured that safety can meet comfort, with reliable safety aspects and improved mileage regardless of the vehicle you're driving. Whether it's typical British rain or a glorious sunny day, the adaptive tread pattern technology ensures the PremiumContact 7 will perform with precise handling on both wet and dry roads. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. You can trust the PremiumContact 7 from the start, with RedChili compound which allows you to skip any heat-up phase and enables safe braking right from the start. And as a bonus, it's EV compatible, meaning it meets the requirements of electric vehicles, hybrid and combustion alike. So there we have it, that is the Continental PremiumContact 7, a premium summer tyre designed for safety, efficiency and comfort.